Today we're going to learn all about how to find connections. Remember, connections are ways that two things are similar or the same. Looking at the picture, I can see two apples. They are different in some ways, but they are the same in others. I can find a connection between the two of them. They are both round. They are both apples. They both have a stem. Today I'm going to read a page from the book called Touch It! Materials, Matter, and You by Adrienne Mason. In this book, I'm going to look for connections between things in the pictures. Let's get started. I'm going to read these two pages from the text, page 10 and 11. Listen carefully as I read. Touchy materials. Different materials have different textures. Texture is the way something feels when you touch it. A rabbit's fur feels soft. A wood fence feels hard. Soft, hard, rough, smooth, and prickly all describe textures. What kinds of textures do the objects and creatures in this farmyard have? Pause the video now, boys and girls, and look at the picture. Think about all the different textures that you might see. Did you find lots of textures in the picture? Great job! Today, I want to look at two things that I saw in the picture so that we can make some connections between the two objects. The first object is a pitchfork. The second object is a bucket. What connections can you find between these two objects? How are they similar or the same? Pause the video now and see if you can find the answers. Welcome back. Did you find some connections? Well, I noticed they are both silver in color. Or you might have used the word gray. I also notice that both objects are made out of metal. And the last connection I saw is that they are both tools that a farmer might use. Boys and girls, I hope you had fun finding connections in our text today.